वेलकम टू जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास। जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। हाउ आर यू चिल्ड्रन? फाइन, आई एम आल्सो फाइन। टुडे इज द क्लास फॉर statistics. There is median and mode. Previous class I taught you mean. No, today is a class for median and mode. So let's concentrate in the studies. So पहले क्या बोलना चाहिए मुझे? Please like my video, share to your friends, and subscribe my channel. And please comment me through your comment box. तो क्या मुझे पता तो चले आप लोग को क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है, तो मैं वही सम आप लोगों को सिखाऊंगी. Okay, let's start the class. So today is the class of median and mode. It is a median of odd observation. So in the mean, it was independent odd or even observation. But in case of median, we have to think about the observations is odd or even. So there are two formulas. That is, for odd observation, we have to take n plus 1 by 12th observation. What is n here? N is number of observation. Okay. So if the number of observation 9, yeah 11, yeah 37, so odd. So we have to take 37 plus 1 by 2. That is 38 by 2. That is 19th observation. Okay. And if the median of number of observation is even, so we have to take that is supposing say 38. So n is 38 here. So 38 by 12th term plus 38 by 2 plus 1 term observation. So you have to take this. So you are thinking that, oh yeah, I cannot understand what you are telling. So I'll teach you sums. So इस सम्स के जरिए से आप लोग सीख सकते हैं कि कैसे हम लोग फटाफट मीडियन निकल सके. एंड मोड इज वेरी इजी. आफ्टर teaching you median, I'll teach you mode. Okay. So odd observation is 9 plus 1 by 12th observation, and median even observation. In case of even observation, we have to take the formula n by 12th observation plus n plus 2 plus 1th observation. Okay. First, unlike the mean, we have to arrange the numbers integers in array. Array means ascending order. So here find the median. First question, we will find the median of the daily wages of 10 workers. Okay. So I told you 10 workers. This observation is 10. That is even. So n is 10 here. Even. So we have to take this formula. Median of even observation. Okay. First of all, what to do? So wages of 10 workers from the following data. That is rupees 20, 25, 17, 18, 8, 15, 22, 11, 9 and 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have to arrange in its ascending order. So I have written here the second sum, so no spaces there. No problem. That is we are using the sum, no, but just data I am keeping here. So first ascending order is called array. So first arrange is in array. Okay. So 20, 25, 17, 18, 8. 8 is list here. So 8. Then after 8, then 11. So no, 9. So 9 is here. Then that is 11. So we have taken 11. After 11, that is 14. So 14. Then 14. After 14, there is 15. So there is 15. Now 15, after 15, that is 17. So 17. Then after 17, 18. So 18 we have 18. After 18, that is 20. So we will take 20. Then after 20, there is 22. 22, and then it is 25. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, so what is the median here? So n is there 10. That is even. So n equals to 10. That is even. So to find out the median, so what to do? That is median of the, I'm not writing here. You will write here median of even observation equals to 10 by 12th term, 12th observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1 observation. Okay, so 10 by 12th observation is 5th observation. So 5th plus 10 by 2 5 plus 1, that is 6. Okay, so 5th and 6th, that is here is 5th is 1 2 3 4 5. So 15 plus, that is 17, that is 17. So 32 here. Okay, so median wages of the 10 workers, it is rupees 32 equals to rupees 32 here. No, so 10 by 12th observation is 5th observation plus, that is 10 by 2, that is 5th plus 1, 6th observation. So 5th observation is 1 2 3 4 5, 5th observation 15, and 6th observation is 17. So 15 plus 16, 17 equals to 32. Okay, this is in case of median for even numbers. Now median for 15 workers, I told you 15 workers. So 15 workers means that is odd. Okay, I am using this one. So first of all, I didn't erase array. So first of all, we have to add the data in array. Very careful about adding the array, because missing one number, median will be different. So you will not get any marks. So that is 25, 39, 42, 67, 23. Which one is the least? 27, 96. I think we are 23 here. So 23. Then after 23, that is, it's a little bit of time taking, you know. Not, sum is not tough, but time taking. 25. 25 after 25 is, after 25 is 27. 27. 27. Then 27, 27, 27. What to do? That is 39. No, 33. That is 33 here. Then 39. 33, 39. Then I think 42. Then 42 here. 42 here. 42. 67, 87, 46. 46 here. So 46. So 67, 87, 96. 85, 70, 59 here. So 59. After 59, 67, 96, 67. So 67 here. 67. So here 68. So 68. Okay. 68. Then 72. And 72 here. 72. Then 87, 96, 72, 80. 80 here. Then 80. Then 85. 85. So here 85. Then 87. So 87 and then 96. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Understood? So be careful for adding the data. Okay. Now it is, here is n equals to 15 here. So n is 15 means odd observation. Okay. So what's the median here? So n plus 1 by 12th observation. I'm not writing here. You will write here median of, or in case of odd, you will write median of 15 observation equals to n means 15. So 15 plus 1 by 12th observation. So 15 plus 1, that is 16 by 2, that is 8th observation. Okay. So 8th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8th observation is 59. So median is here 59. So easy sums? No, not at all tough. But you have to concentrate when you will arrange the data. Okay. So if there is any mistake, median is wrong. Okay. So please observe the sum. We will go to the next sum. Now we are coming to question number 3. So it's a group data. That is, obtain the median of the following frequency distribution. frequency distribution मतलब ये सजाया गया है, इसको हम लोग टेबल में सजाएंगे. Okay, so in the previous classes I taught you in the frequency distribution table. Understood? So now here's the marks. Marks we denote FI, that is 1. So 1 का कितना को मिला है? That is frequency, that is 8. 2 कितना को मिला है ना? 10 को. 3 so 11. 4 16 5 20 6 25 7 15 8 9. So 9 को मिला है ना? 6. Okay. So we have to arrange the frequency distribution table. So what to do here? That is, here is marks, that is, okay, and then frequency. If I, okay, now cumulative frequency. I'll write cumulative frequency, that is CF here. Okay, in case of median we need, in case of mean we need only frequency, and in case of median it is the group data, that is we need cumulative frequency. So now first 1, so 1 here is frequency is 8, so 2 10, 3 11, 4 16, 5 20, 6 25, 7 15, 8 9, and 9 6. Okay, so cumulative frequency, it is the summation of 8 plus 10, that is first one is 8, second one is you will add this class into the previous class, so 10 plus 8 18. Okay, so now 18 plus 11, so 29, 18 plus 11 29, 29 plus 16, 6 plus 9 15, 5 1 in hand, so 45. Okay, 45 plus 20 65, 65 plus 25 70 80 90, 90 plus 15, that is 105. So 105 plus 9 114, and 114 plus 6, that is 120. Here is frequency is also 120. Okay, you know tally marks, you can write tally marks. Yeah, no need here, but I am teaching you tally marks. So 8 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 11 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, so on. Okay, no need here to tally marks, but I am just telling you. Okay, now frequency is 120. Then I am erasing it, no spaces there. So N is here 120. So now frequency equals to N is here 120. So we have to think about that is different formula. That is, we have to find out N by 2. N by 2 equals to 60. In case of this type of data, that is cumulative frequency, so we have to take out N equals to 120, then N by 2 equals to 60. Now we have to find out the next number that is greater than 60. So greater than 60 is 65. Okay, so just greater than 60, just greater than 60 is 65 here. You know, here is 45 and here is 65. In between 60. So we have to find out the greater number of N by 2. So N by 2 is 60, the greater number is 65. So in this class, 65, that is median is 5. Okay. In the cumulative frequency where is 65, then you have to find out the marks in class of 65, that is 5 here. So median is 5. Okay. Understood the sum? we'll go to the next sum. So children, we are coming to the fourth sum. Okay, if the numbers are in the ascending order, so 3, 6, 7, 10, x, 15, 19, 20, 25, 20. So you are asking, मैम ये x हम लोग कहाँ लेके, ये x कैसा नंबर है, क्या छोटा है या बड़ा है, मुझे तो क्या नहीं पता नहीं है, इसलिए इसको हिंट दे दिया, ये असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में ही दिया है, मतलब 3, 6 देखिए, ये 3 के बाद 6 है, 6 के बाद 7 है इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में, उसके बाद 10 है, उसके बाद x है, मतलब ये असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सजाया गया। आप लोग को फर्स्ट करके एरे सजाना नहीं है। ओके, सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so n is 10 here, no, n is 10, so even, that is even. Okay, now and the median is 13, median भी आप लोग बोल दिया गया है, मतलब median is 13. Okay, so what you have to find out, calculate the value of x. x कितना है ये आप लोग को पता करना है। ओके, सो चले कोशिश करते हैं। सो 3 6 7, so n is 10, so median is even. Okay, so n by 12th observation plus obs, 12th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observations by 2. So here 10 by 2th observations plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation by 2. So here it is 5th plus 6th by 2. So 5th observation is 1 2 3 4 5. So 5th observation is x plus 6th observation is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So x plus 15 by 2. So here is median is x plus 15 by 2. But in question they have told that median is 13. So x plus 15 by 2 equals to 13. So now what when I write? Okay. So therefore x plus 15 by 2 equals to 13. Median is 13 here. So x plus 15 equals to cross multiplication 13 into 2, that is 26. Therefore x equals to, I am not writing here, 26 minus 15, that is 11. Okay, so value of x is 11. Understood the sum? Okay, we'll go to the next sum. So children, it is the last sum for today. Okay, so now you have to find out, that is number 5. Find the mean, median and mode of the following data. So एक ही सेट ऑफ नंबर, आपको मीन भी निकालना चाहिए, मीडियन भी निकालना चाहिए और मोड भी निकालना चाहिए। तो आप बोलेगा कि मैम मीन तो सीख चुके हैं, मीडियन भी आप आज सीख चुके हैं, लेकिन मोड कैसे पता? ओके, आई टीच यू लेटर ऑन। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मीन, सो व्हाट टू डू, दैट इज mean is sum of the observation by number of observation. So mean equals to 8 plus 0 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5. बाप रे बाप, ये तो बोर्ड से निकल रहा है ना। ओके, सो by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So number of observation is 12 here. So first हम लोग क्या करें, हम लोग सम करें, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 2 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 9 27, 28, 28 5 33, 33 plus 4, so 33 plus 4 37, then 7, 37 plus 7 40, 44, 44 to 46 plus 5 45. So here is 45, that is 51, 51 by 12. So cut with 3, so 4 here 17, so 17 by 4, so 4 4 is 16, 16 16.25. Here is, sorry, here is mean. Okay, now in case of median, what to do? In case of median, we have to arrange the data in array. Okay, so array So here first one is 0. So 0, then 1. So 1, here is 1, 2, and here is 1, 2. So 2, 2. Here is, so here is 1, 2, here is 1, 2. Okay. Now here is 3. 3, only 1, 3 here. Okay, 3. So now here 4, here is 4. So 4. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. Now 5, 5. Then 7. Okay. No 6 is there. Then 7. After 7 there is 8. So here is 8. And then sorry. Here is 8. 8. And here is 9 here. Okay. So here is, and now number of observation is 12. So n equals to 12. 12 is in even. Okay. So median is, okay, I'm erasing this one. Okay. This one also no need of, मैं erase सजा चुकी हूँ. Okay. So even. So mean is median. Median equals to, so n by 12th term, that is n is 12. So 12 by 12th term plus 12 by 2 plus 1 observation. Okay. So 6th observation and by 2, that is 6th observation plus 6 plus 1, 7th observation by 2. So 6th observation here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4, and that is 6, 7th observation 5 by 2. Here is 9 by 2, that is 4.5. So median is 4.5 here. Okay. So median is 4.5 here. Now in case of mode, that is last one. Okay. Mode is very easy. So numbers are here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So which number obtained most? 0, 1 time, 1, 1 time, 2, 2 times, 3 once, 4 once, 5 thrice, 7 once, 8 once, 9 once. So 5 thrice, that means कौन से नंबर सबसे ज्यादा आ चुके हैं? So 5. So mode is equals to 5. Well, this is the sum. So it is sum. You cannot think about it. This is such an easy sum. Okay. So mode is 5. Which one is obtaining the most? So 5 is here. Okay. So mode is 5. That is the sum. So आज के लिए ये क्लास काफी है. इसके बाद मैं सिखाऊंगी आप लोगों को फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किसे कहते हैं, क्लास लिमिट, किसे क्लास रेंज, देन क्लास मार्क, देन डिस्क्रीट या कंटिन्यूअस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल, ये आप लोग को सिखाऊंगी. उसके बाद हिस्टोग्राम, सो ऑन. ओके. सो आज के लिए एक काफी है. हाँ, और अच्छा लग रहा है और सीखने के लिए ना? नहीं. ओके. चलिए आज के लिए मैं छोड़ देती हूँ आप लोग को. सो जाते जाते मुझे क्या बोलना चाहिए? प्लीज लाइक माई वीडियो, share to your friends and subscribe my channel, and please comment me through your comment box. मुझे पता तो चले आप लोग को क्या चाहिए. Repeatedly I am telling you in every class I am telling you. So please like my video and मुझे cooperate कीजिए. देखिए आप लोग अगर cooperate ना करते तो आज मेरा 1216 सब्सक्राइबर है. अरे बाप रे, पहले पहले 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे मैं कर सोचती थी कब मैं 1000 सब्सक्राइबर में जाऊंगी. तो आज तो आप लोग मुझे इस जगह पर लेके आए, तो धन्यवाद इसके लिए. ओके. एंड 4000 आवर्स नहीं, 4200 आवर्स मेरा वॉच टाइम हो गया है. ये तो आपने देखा है इसलिए तो, नहीं मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ? मैं तो सिर्फ एक वीडियो बना सकती हूँ, मैं इसको यूट्यूब चैनल में छोड़ सकती हूँ, लेकिन आप लोग ना देखें, मुझे पसंद ना करें तो मैं ये कैसे कर सकती हूँ? तो ये सब कुछ जो हुआ है आपके जरिए से हुआ है. तो थैंक्स. हाँ, आप लोग को बहुत धन्यवाद है कि आप लोग इतना पेशेंस लेकर मेरा क्लास ऑब्जर्व किया. मैं ज्यादा बकबक नहीं करूंगी, आप लोग को छोड़ देती हूँ. ठीक है. तो जाती हूँ मैं. जल्दी हूँ क्या? हाँ जल्दी तो है, आप लोग को मुझे छोड़ना है. सो बाय. join you the next class.